Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can get API key for YouTube. So for that you need to open up this website, just select it and copy it and paste it in a new tab. Open it up and this is where it will lead you to. After that, all you have to do is just click on this option of select a project, and here choose this option of new project. Then give it a name. After that, just click on create. Wait for it to load. Then click on select project over here. After that, click on this option of navigation menu. Then go to API and services. Then here you will find this option of enabled API and services. Wait for it to load, then go to credentials over here. And here you will find this option of create credential. Just click on it, then click on API key. After that, API key will be created, and all you have to do is just copy that API key and you will be able to use it up. And this is how you get API key for YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.